Hi guys, it's Tim from Create-A-Lase. We're back again this week. This time it's only going to be a little short video. Just want to have a little bit of an update. I feel like I'm neglecting you guys, but what's happening is just I'm getting really busy. It's crazy in the shop at the moment. We've got jobs coming out everywhere, just coming up to Christmas. Just want to give you all a little update where we're at. We're still trying to make things. Oh, actually, I've got a good idea. Just come with me. Just come on guys, come up here. Yeah. Hey guys, just out here out of the shed out here. Got a lot of jobs going on at the moment. What we're doing is, I'll have a look down in here. Yeah, so we're just laser engraving this board down here. If you can see it at all. Bit hard to see. Yeah, just printing out some photos and things. Obviously fixing some other stuff over here. I've got a chopping board over here. Chopping board and some keychains that go with it. If I can just grab this out of here for you. There you go. And there's a leather key tags that we're doing. Got so many jobs coming out here before Christmas. That's why I haven't been able to make some videos lately, but I'll have to get back onto it. I've got a few more ideas that I want to be able to make of some new ones next year. But at the moment I'm just a little bit flat out, just trying to, in the shop here. I haven't forgotten about you. Just want to give you a quick little update about what we're doing in here. Making up some other things over here, some more things that we're doing. There's another chopping board over here. So we're just doing stuff like that. Making up this one here out of MDF. What have we got here? We've got this one here. Just show that one there. So we just made that bit of a solar system here, and it's got all the planets as well as the dwarf planets on there. So that's pretty cool. Got this other one here with some numbers and stuff on it, and there's even Elmo. A little bit of an engraving that we're doing here. This is just plain MDF is all this one is. So if you guys like to be able to see how we make stuff like that, we'll have to make up some more videos. Put some comments down below of of some of the ideas that you want us to make. But yeah, we're keeping busy. We've got this, there's another job over here I might show you while we're out here. We've got this one here. So we're making up these different mirrors. So we just fiber laser through the backs of that and paint onto the back of it. Pretty cool ideas. So make sure you put some comments down below if you want to be able to see some of these types of jobs getting made. Want me to just do a step-by-step tutorial on them. Another idea that we wanted to do was show you a bit of a, I don't know if I've got something in here, but we just get out a bit of a board. I'll show you this one here real quickly while this thing's engraving on top of here. We just get the board out on top of this, and we'll find up some, what have we got on this shelf here we can lay out? I haven't really got much sitting around. It's a bit ad hoc here at the moment. I've just got a bit of old offcuts of stuff. But what we want to do is just say we want to, if there was words or some text or something, we're going to layer them out on the board. What we normally do is just grab the rulers over here. Probably just grab these ones here would do. And what I normally do is get the long ruler, and we just lay that out there to show the distance what we want. And just so you know, the width of the text of the lettering is just going to be, just say it's, what width is that going to be? So just say it's 250 mil. So we measure in, like we measure the board, which the board here is 600 mil long. We'll just measure in the equal distance on either side if we want to center it in the board. So just say we're going to center this down here. That's going to be 200 mil, so 600. So we're going to put the first one here at 200, and then we space these out, and we want to get the last one to be at, yeah, so we're going to make them 200 mil long. So the last one there's going to be at 400. So we just put the last one at 400, put the first one at 200, and then we're just going to figure out what's equal spaced. Usually just by eye, or you can actually just use the last gaps of the measurements and just try to make sure that you get the same gap between each one. And that's about it. What I normally do is I figure out what the first and last are. So what I'd actually do is I just get a little bit of this masking tape, and I would have ruled that off. So I just would have put that across there like that. Then I would have used my pen or my pencil. Just grab a, if I've got a pencil over here somewhere, there we go. So I just tape this straight down. Then I use the pencil just to mark the spots on the where it needs to be. Like just say the 200 mark and the 400 mark. Yes, so just do the 200 mark and the 400 mark on there. I'd also measure how far up from the bottom that wants to be. That's where you're going to put the rule to put the mark on it. Super simple. If you want a bit more of a detailed process of me actually laying it all out properly one time, I'll have to make another video about that next year. At the moment, there's just a bit of a guide on, we just lay the tape down, figure out where the start of the letter's going to be, where the final letter's going to be, then you space out the ones in between. So it makes it pretty easy. And we'll catch us on the next one. So there you go. Just showed you around the room a little bit and some of the jobs that we've got going on. Make sure you do comment down below if you've got any other videos that you want us to see or anything that's just caught your attention of what we can make and you want to be able to see a bit more about that. Hopefully we're going to have a lot more videos next year. Merry Christmas to you all. If you haven't already, make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell icon down there. That way when we do make some more videos, you'll be notified straight away for them. So catch you later and thank you. Have a Merry Christmas.